So guys, on our screen we have a simple map, and on the map we have the destination icon. Let's animate the destination icon. Select the destination icon, then change the anchor point. Now press on S to scale, then press on this stopwatch to make the first keyframe. Let's go to like 15 frame or 10 frame. Then click on this small dot to make the second keyframe. Now click on this back arrow to go to the first keyframe. Change the scale to 0. Let's see what we have. But there is no bounce, so how to add the bounce? Hold Alt, then click on the stopwatch. Now copy and paste this code. You will find this code in the description below. Single click on the expression area. Paste. Let's see what we have. It's bouncing too much. So what to do? Change the frequency here, like from 10 to 2. Check again. You can change the amplitude, like from 0.1 to 0.3. Let's see. See, just play with these 3 values until you are satisfied. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.